Good morning, Scott. This is Tim from CiMa-Pak, and what we've done is we've cut your existing tray down to fit into one of the tools that we have here. This is a Repeater Plus, and you can see we're just sealing two sides of your tray and laying your existing die cut film on top. Now my associate Sonia will close the drawer, and then we'll show you the end result. Temperature is 130. It was 2 seconds or thereabouts, and about 95 psi. So now let me just get in here a little bit, so you can see where the die cut, where the film is die cut. We'll send this sample of the die cut off to you. Of course, what the real thing is that you need film going right across, so it's held tight when the teeth come down. But you'll see that. And we won't pull on this or anything, Sonia. We'll just send this back to Scott as is, along with the die cut piece. And we'll do another setup for you. And now what happens is typically your film is larger than the tray, and it's held in place on all sides. The tooling comes down, but in this case we don't have tooling for it. Okay, that's the first one, okay, and let's do a few more samples and record as we go. So now we've put in the 4 correct trays for this tool, along with some randed printed film, and now we'll show you how that works. And Sonia, if you don't mind, close the door, the film gets pulled through. Same thing, open it up. And now you see that comes off nice and clear. And here is your trays, and there's your random printed film. So all the instructions, and we'll send these down to you as well, Scott, okay, so you can actually see what we're doing here. Now we're going to show you one more. Okay, Scott, now what we've done is we've changed the film up again, and this one is a laminate, which is a polyethylene with a foil and a nylon top coat, and we're sealing this to a PP tray. And here we go again. And now we're not gonna, we'll send the sample of the die cut material to you. As you can see, it just comes off. And this is a little heavier than what you're doing. And we'll also send the samples of the trays to you so you can see what we've done. And again, we did not change any of the parameters at this point in time. We just left everything the same. And of course, that's, when you get a machine like this, you'll dictate what your sealing strength should be based on your trays. But certainly we don't see any downside to this. Okay, that's it. We'll send these off to you. The samples will be gone tomorrow, and look forward to talking to you later in the week. Thanks. Bye for now.